Hi there, who else thinks mochi is one of the best Japanese desserts ever? Are you craving a simple yet delicious mochi recipe? Well, you're in for a treat. This easy homemade mochi recipe requires only 6 main ingredients, no special equipment, and just 3 steps. You'll have perfectly chewy, lightly sweetened mochi cake stuffed with cream and fruits right in your kitchen. Check out the tools you need in the upper right corner of the screen. Don't worry, nothing fancy, just everyday kitchen tools you probably already have. Feel free to pause the video and jot them down. To whip up our mochi cake, you need 6 main ingredients and your favorite fruits. The ingredient list with measurements is also in the upper right corner. Heads up, you'll need 150 grams plus 50 grams of sweet rice flour. Keep them in separate containers. Mochi might seem like a mystical dessert for pros, but trust me, it's a breeze. I was a mochi making newbie too. This is a perfect project to get kids involved in the kitchen. Here's how you make mochi in just 3 simple steps.
Nice.
In a large mixing bowl, combine 150 grams of sweet rice flour, 40 grams of cornstarch, and 30 grams of sugar. Gradually pour in the milk, stirring gently until it's well combined. To break up any lumps, because nobody wants lumpy mochi, sift the mixture 3 times using a fine mesh strainer into another bowl. Meanwhile, let's get some water boiling. Add about 2 to 3 inches of water to your steamer and crank up the heat. When you hear the boiling sound or see steam, cover the bowl of mixture tightly with plastic wrap and poke a few holes in the top. Pop the bowl into the steamer. Cover with the lid and steam for 30 minutes on high heat. Carefully remove the bowl using hot dish cloths or heat-proof gloves. No scorched fingers, please. While the dough is steaming, toast 50 grams of sweet rice flour over low heat until it turns a lovely golden yellow. Mochi dough is stickier than my brother with a lollipop, so you'll need the toasted flour to help handle it. That the mochi dough is steamed, add the butter while it's still hot and let it melt completely. Once the dough is cool enough to handle, knead it for 5 to 6 minutes until the butter is fully incorporated and the dough is stretchy without breaking. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Take the dough out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature. Knead it for a few more minutes until it becomes stretchy again. Lay a large piece of plastic wrap on your counter or cutting board and dust it generously with toasted sweet rice flour. Roll the dough into a rope about 2 fingers thick. Then cut it into equal sections about 1 inch long. Keep dusting the top and bottom of the pieces with toasted sweet rice flour to prevent any sticking mishaps. Press each piece into a small disc with the palm of your hand, then using a rolling pin to flatten each piece into a thin disc about the size of your palm. Next, let's whip up some cream. Grab the cream straight from the fridge. Cold cream whips up like a dream, creating the lightest whipped cream imaginable. If you're feeling extra ambitious, chill the mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the fridge for 30 minutes. Some folks prefer no sugar, but you can start with 2 or 3 spoonfuls. Begin whipping on low speed, then ramp it up to medium. Whipping cream only takes a couple of minutes, so keep an eye on it. You'll know when it's ready when you lift the beaters or whisk out of the bowl and a semi-sturdy peak form on them. Now the grand final, assembling the mochi. Take a dough circle and brush off any extra flour. Plop a scoop of cream in the center, then add your favorite fruits. I'm a fan of fresh blueberries and frozen mango. Add a bit more cream on top. Gather the edges of the dough around the filling to form a ball, and press to seal. You can also pinch the edges together to ensure they're sealed. Dust the seal part with toasted flour if they're too sticky. And you're done. Enjoy! Pro tip: mochi tastes better on the day it's made, so don't wait too long to devour these delightful treats.